Hello, this short tutorial is to help you create an effective listing to attract as many relevant influencers as possible. It's mostly self-explanatory, but we've picked out the key areas to give you some helpful tips and suggestions. Let's start with attracting the influencer's attention. This is key, so make the ad title and venue description really stand out. Don't forget, once you've created an ad and have found the winning formula, you can then reuse them for subsequent listings and campaigns. Moving down to the dates available, try and be as flexible as possible. Offer a minimum of 2 nights and either select days of the week or specific dates in the calendar. This is useful if you have a specific event you want to promote. Going down to the number of influencers required, this simply signals to influencers how many places are available, and you can accept or reject as many as you like from the applicants that apply, depending of course on your needs. Travel arrangements. Consider how accessible your property is. Most influencers make their own travel arrangements, but if your property is far from an airport, you may like to arrange a transfer for them. Now, let's move down to requirements. We always recommend you choose any size, as this will help you gain the most traction. Remember, although one influencer might have a smaller following than another, they may have a greater impact in promoting your business. Use Sway's metrics to help you with this. Number of images. The industry norm is approximately 2 images per night, so if you're offering 3 nights, ask for 6 images. Obviously this will depend on what's being offered and the individual property in question. Influencer location. Here you can look to target your core market or indeed look to expand into new ones. Don't forget to add the relevant hashtags for your property and location as well. Do's. This helps you specify what you want influencers to focus on. For example, do focus on the views from our rooms, do be creative, do tag all of our social media handles, etc. And likewise don't. Do not just take selfies because they provide no value to your property. And finally, it's important to preview your listing, as this will show you what the influencers will see to make sure you're happy with it. Once you're ready, click post now and you'll be directed to activate your subscription. Once you've paid, your listing will go live to all our influencers around the world. Needless to say, you only need to activate your subscription when posting your first ad. Thanks for watching and stay Sway.